Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection and to another steelbook update of the week. Today I'm going to show you Transformers 1 and 2 and also Transformers 3 Dark of the Moon. All of these are imports from Germany. So let's start with Dark of the Moon. This is a 2-disc combo Blu-ray and DVD. The sticker is removable and the Blu-ray is region free. So let's take a look at the artwork. Here's just the usual flyer, very thick cardboard with the specs of the movie. The writings is all in German. And here's the design and artwork of the case, back cover, front cover. Here we have the Blu-ray. This is the DVD. As you all know, there's no special features in this Dark of the Moon because they're gonna release this once again as a 3D combo pack with all the special features in one Blu-ray disc. Let's take this flyer. This is just the flyer for the digital copy. And here's the artwork. Really nice artwork. So once again, this is the DVD and it is region 2. And this is the Blu-ray, region free. The menu is in English and comes with English Dolby True HD 7.1 as well as German, Spanish, French and Italian Dolby Digital 5.1, and also has 10 different subtitles. So here it is, no sticker, I already removed it. It looks really nice. This steelbook is a lot different from the other Transformers steels. It actually looks much better because it has high gloss finish and the title is embossed. Another great thing is that it comes with artwork inside. Now let me show you Transformers 1 and 2. The ratings sticker is removable. And let me show you here the back cover. Okay, so let's open and let me show you the artwork inside. Let me show you the back cover. Very glossy, colorful. All the writings are in German, but the beauty of it is that it is in region free. So now let's take a look inside. This one is the first one. No artwork, and it is a 1-disc only. Too bad there's no artwork. Let me show you the number 2. Also no artwork, so I think it's time for our custom artwork. What do you think? If you're interested in learning how to change the case, just click the link on top. I made another video that explains how to remove the clear case. And the first one, the first Transformers, so here's the artwork for the first Transformers movie. So don't forget to check my tutorial. And since we're talking about Transformers, let me also show you another import from Germany, but this is a 2-disc special edition. Here's the side and the back cover. Unlike those other two, this one is very matte, pitch black and matte finish. 2-disc Blu-ray, and also has my own custom artwork. So here's Blu-ray number 2 with the special features, and here's the Blu-ray of the movie. So here it is, my Transformers steelbook collection. All of these are region free, and all of these are imports from Germany. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, hope you liked it, and if you want to learn how to change the inserts, I put a link in the description area. Thanks again, and see you next time.